Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to prevent your Wi-Fi or mobile data to be turned off when the screen lock is turned on. So, when the phone is locked. So, where to find it? Settings, and here we have lock screen, not in security, not in Wi-Fi, in lock screen, there. Security lock settings. Let's unlock our phone. And here we have lock network and security. What does it do exactly? Prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. Find My Mobile uses these connections to locate and control your phone when it's lost. So it's very, very important to have it turned on for our security reasons. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.